Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our project Asset Flow, Enterprise Asset and Resource Management System. This project is developed for the Odoo Hackathon. Asset Flow help organization manage company asset like laptops, desktop, vehicles, meeting rooms, printers, and other shared resources from one centralized platform. Our system support multiple user roles, including admin, asset manager, department head, employee. So each role has a different permission and access to specific modules. For this demonstration, I am logging in as a admin user to showcase all the available feature of the system. This is our dashboard. Here, administrator can quickly monitor the overall status of the organization. This dashboard provides important information such as the total asset, allocated assets, available assets, active booking, and maintenance requests, and also recent activities. It gives a quick overview of everything from one place. Now we are going to the asset registry page. This is the asset registry module. Here, administrator can register new assets such as asset name, category, department, assign employee, value, and current status. And also, user can search, filter, and manage asset efficiently. And now we are going to the allocation page. The allocation module is used to assign asset uh, to employees. It helps the organization track who is currently using each asset. This prevent duplicate allocation and keeps complete ownership record. This module allows employees to book shared resources like meeting rooms, projectors, and company vehicles. The booking system helps avoid scheduling conflict and improve resources utilization. And then in maintenance page, if any asset become damaged or require servicing, user can create a maintenance request. Administrator can approve request, assign technician, and track the maintenance progress until it is completed. Then the audit module help organization verify physical asset. It makes it easy to identify missing, damage or misplaced assets and maintain accurate inventory records. Then in department page, here administrator can create and manage different department within the organization. Each department has its own employees, asset, and department head. These help organization organize company resources in structured way. Then in category page, assets are organized into different categories such as a laptop, vehicles, printers, furniture, and other equipment. Categories make asset management more organized and improve searching and reporting. Then in employee page, uh, this module is used to manage all employees in the organization. Administrator can assign role, department, and company asset to individual employees. Then in report page, the reports section provide useful insight into the organization asset. Administrator can analyze asset utilization, department-wise statics, maintenance history, and overall asset performance. Then also we have notification page. So user can receive notification for important activities such as a new asset allocation, uh, booking updates, maintenance request, and audit reminders. Asset Flow provides a centralized and efficient solution for managing organizational assets. It reduces manual work, improve transparency, prevent assets loss, and make asset management much easier for organization. Thank you for watching our presentation.